Okay, so here's a quick tip for you. You know when you upgraded to Windows 11 and you found the taskbar here in the middle, and you're used to the taskbar being here on the left. So how can you change the taskbar buttons from here in the middle to here on the left? Well, it's quite easy. You just right click here, go to taskbar settings, then go to taskbar behaviors, and here you will find here task alignment. Go here and just click this button left, and see, it came to the left. That was the quick tip for today. Thank you very much and see you next time.